Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over at Donmily Hair. Y'all, we have worked with them so many times in the past, and y'all know that's how we do human hair on this channel. We have to try somebody 3 or 4 times before we can vouch for them, and if they fit the bill, if they check off all boxes, we add them to our routine, and Donmily Hair definitely has done that. If you look in that description box, you see a direct link to this wig, all of the details, all that jazz that I might mess up talking. Look in that box and click subscribe as you go look in that box. Speaking of boxes, shit, I done said box like 50 times. So speaking of boxes, if you, all I did was take this out of the shipping packaging. It's still in its box, okay? Because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So I don't know what's in here. Let's see together, sus, okay? Not only did they send the wig, they sent this little bag of goodies that some of y'all like just, that stuff is only worth $3 or $4. But still, some companies don't send you any extras. So these things matter, okay? They sent some big eyelashes. They sent a makeup brush. They sent an edge band, and they sent some wig caps and surround, okay? The wig itself, oh, something else. Ooh, hair store earrings, period, okay? Period, okay? They might turn green on you, but they're there. All right, so I'm, why would I say that? I'm reading directly off of the sticker, okay? This wig is 24 inches long, and it's straight. That's all I can see from the sticker. So let's open it up so we can see what party space we have and all that jazz. Y'all, Tito's on my bed looking at this bag of Cheetos. Like, as soon as you start, I'm going in. Oh, y'all, easy. This is a 4x4. This one is going to be so easy. Boom, bop. Right up my alley, y'all. Okay, so 24 inches long, and it is very, very pretty. It doesn't stink, and don't trip, because y'all know sometimes this hair stinks. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. They have the band already sewn in, which is gonna make it lay flush to your little bald head. Oh, y'all, it's not even a 4x4. Y'all, look. This is a lace part. It's got some stuff going on, don't it? Y'all, look at that. Okay, look fancy, but I'm thinking it's just a lace part. Check that description box like I told you. Okay, come to the right, come to the left. Y'all, I love a lace part wig because I can't comb hair, hence me being bald. And wigs are my way to have fun. So when I find a wig that is when I find a human hair wig that is easy peasy, lemon squeezy, I'm in love. Before I cut off that itty bitty piece of lace, let me put this on my head so we can see what we are working with. Boop, bop. Oh, y'all, yes. Yes. This is it. Y'all, I filmed a lot of hair today, and I can tell you without fail, this is going to be my most favorite human hair wig. Y'all, all I'm gonna have to do is cut off that little bitty piece of lace. That looks really good, just straight out of the pack, and run my flat iron through this, y'all. And then it's gonna stay on the hook right by my door, because I can grab and go like a hat, okay? I'm 5'5", and that's where it falls on me. Here's my belly button. Let's cut off this small piece of lace. I'm gonna do all that. And then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Be right back.
All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. The one next to you.
great middle part black wig. I don't care what nobody say. It will forever be a classic. It will forever be like a must-have in your wig arsenal. And this one from Donmily hair is just that, y'all. And it's because it is a lace part. This is literally throw on and go. This is literally, of course, now I could have put some powder up there, but I didn't. Okay, y'all, look at how good that looks though. Look. Period. Okay, this is a must-have. Not only is the hair easy though, because it's a lace part, you really can't mess it up. The quality of this hair is very, very nice, y'all. I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling, even though it's straight out the pack. You might be saying it's straight out the pack, but no, sis, because y'all know we have gotten human hair straight out the pack that was trash. Okay, and this one is not that. I definitely recommend it. The other thing is, it says on this that this is 24 inches long. Y'all, this feels, in my opinion, longer than 24 inches. They have been very, very generous. Okay, here go my belly button. They have been very generous with this 24 inches. Okay, this is definitely show-stopping, just gorgeous, classic hair. So I 1000% recommend this one from Donmily hair. But y'all, that's everywhere we get, and that's why they are still in rotation. They are one of our tried and true companies. My pants are unzipped. So I definitely recommend this one. Like I would say, maybe you're not into hair. Maybe it's your cousin Jessica, because y'all, I would wear this. Okay. If not Jessica, maybe it's your Uncle Jesse. Whichever one, if you send them my way, I can send them to Donmily hair, and y'all, we will make them so happy. You hear Tito with that toy squeaking? Every time I get on here and start filming, it's like he know. Let me embarrass him. Hey, dude. Hey, bud. Yeah. He's so bad, y'all. Y'all want to see him? Hold on. Let me see if I can get him to look on camera. Look, he down here on my leg. Look. You gonna? He just ran. Sorry. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye.